the opposition Congress in the state today urged the state government to further strengthen the healthcare infrastructure in the state of Meghalaya in the wake of the pandemic. Leader of opposition and former Chief Minister Mukul Sangma made the demand after visiting COVID care centres in Shillong and adjoining areas today.
We went to Giant Jails yesterday. Today we are here. Now, certain necessity of ramping up the infrastructure related requirement were required to be done. What we have seen is that it is in the process. Still it is in the process. Whatever has been created are there, but what was needed more to save precious lives and to generate that kind of confidence amongst the frontline workers, they are still in the process of implementation. That is one part. Even as you see today, I think all those facilities for oxygenation and other things are still in the process.
And Sangma also called for the need for proper auditing of every village and stressed on the need to reactivate the disease surveillance system as people in rural areas are still reluctant to go for COVID tests.
We need to have some auditing of every village. We have a system in place. We have the disease surveillance system put in place. It has been there for donkey's years. It is one of the most vibrant disease surveillance systems in the whole world. Therefore, it should be activated much more aggressively to know what exactly is happening in every village. Is there a reason for us to worry? Are there incidents of any cases which give us reason to believe or suspect incidents of COVID-19 in those villages? And therefore, that will give us a clear picture. That is what we have discussed. We have discussed with the district administration that is of crucial importance. Otherwise, the virus will be in our vicinity. Even though we have the, that perception that, okay, the second wave is flattening, it's declining, so it's time for us now to, restore our normal life. Then suddenly you have the viruses in our vicinity, in the rural areas, it will come back. So in order to ensure that it doesn't happen, the proper auditing of every village is important.